I'm taking a break from the busy floor at CES 2024 to take a look at this, the Segway Gokart Pro 2. It's part go-kart, part self-balancing bot, part game controller. Let's take a closer look. So what Segway has done is they've taken the motor technology from their self-balancing robots and put it in the back of this cart. And the result is a whole lot of fun. It's very zippy, the steering is very direct, and because you're so close to the ground, it's just extremely engaging. Now we've got 3 different modes. Eco mode limits me to about 5 miles per hour. Sport lets me get up to around 11. And in race mode, you've got a top speed of around 26.7 miles per hour and enough torque that you can actually hang the back of this thing out and have a little bit of fun drifting. It's been a whole lot of fun, and the steering is pretty much what you would expect from a kart. It's very direct and it's very fun to drive. I'm just having a blast out here zipping around on the course. Now the kart chassis has a little bit of adjustability for taller or shorter riders. I'm a little bit on the extreme end of what you could fit in here, but it's a whole lot of fun to drive around. But when the weather gets bad, you don't have to stop enjoying yourself. You can actually bring it inside, and I'll show you how that works now. So when you bring the kart into the house, you can actually connect it to your gaming console using a little dongle like this, and that'll allow you to transform the kart into a racing simulator rig. So here I am playing a game on the screen, and my steering wheel and my pedals work just like they would if I were out on the track. However, I have the added benefit of haptic feedback here. So if I run into this telephone pole, for example, I'll actually feel the base of the seat vibrate, and that adds a little bit of extra immersion, which could be the edge in winning a race. Now I promised you 3 modes, and this is the 3rd. With just 2 screws and some Velcro straps, you can remove the motor unit from the kart and convert it into a self-balancing robo hovercraft. Now, I've never been on one of these before, believe it or not, so my friend David at Segway is gonna make sure that I don't injure myself here. So you go into the app and you put it into self-balancing mode, and then you just hop on. A little wobbly there, but here we go. I'm on. You lean forward to go forward, and whoa, you lean backwards to go back. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Lean to the left to turn, lean to the right to turn. So this is the 3rd mode, and you can actually use this to get around when you're not just scooting or playing video games, which actually adds a little bit more practicality to buying the whole package. And here we go. Oh, it's a lot easier when you're not just trying to stand around and balance. Once you get moving, oh yeah, I'm feeling it. So yeah, maybe I'm a little too big for this thing, but for kids just getting into racing simulation or karting, I think this could be a great way to introduce them to both. Be sure to head over to CNET.com where you can learn more about the rest of Segway's micromobility products and the rest of the cool things happening over at CES 2024. I'll see you there.